Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the control panel. After the panel opens, you should see a bunch of icons. Scroll through the list and find the icon called power saving. And once you find it, you will see that there is a switch next to it. And basically, to turn on the power saving mode, tap on the option, the switch will flick on and the power saving mode will be enabled. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the control panel again, find the power saving option, and then tap on it to flick the switch off and disable the power saving mode. And then you can swipe right to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.